Well, hello everyone, once again it's me, Henry the Genius, and today I will be talking to you about energy in general, which will include about law of conservation of energy and a definition of energy, as well as potential and kinetic energy. Let us now begin with what is energy. Energy is basically what allows us to move, to think and to grow. Everything living thing, from the tiniest microbe to the largest mammal, needs energy in order to survive. Living creatures get their energy from food. Non-living things need energy too. For example, your computer and television get their energy from electricity, your car and ski do from gas. In fact, everything which produces heat or moves needs energy. So now, what is the law of conservation of energy? Well, more important than measuring energy is understand that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy can be changed from one form of energy to another, like when the movement of water becomes electricity. It can also be moved from one object to another, like when one pool ball hits another. But, no matter how it changes or moves, in the end we always have the same amount of energy. Scientists and engineers call this phenomenon conservation of energy. It means that all the energy we use today was here at the very beginning of time. Now to forms of energy. Science and engineers classify all the forms of energy into two main groups: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy that isn't being used yet. It is stored energy. It is also the energy of position, sometimes called gravitational energy. There are different types of potential energy. They include chemical energy, that is stored energy in the bonds between atoms and molecules. When these bonds are broken, they release energy as heat, light, motion and sound. Coal, oil and propane have stored chemical energy, so does food. Stored mechanical energy is found in objects that want to bounce back into their natural shape after being stretched or squished. Nuclear energy is energy that holds together the nucleus of an atom. It is released when atoms are split open, which is fission, or smashed together, fusion. Gravitational energy is energy stored in an object because of where it is placed. A roller coaster at the top of its rails is gravitational energy. Now to kinetic energy, which is energy that is being used. It is the energy of motion. It includes electrical energy, which is caused by the movement of electrons. Lightning is electrical energy, so is the electricity which comes into our houses. Radiant energy is energy that comes from the waves of the electromagnetic spectrum. Light is a type of radiant energy, so are X-rays. Thermal energy is heat. Heat is caused by the movement of atoms and molecules within a substance. Last but not least, motion energy is energy caused by objects or substances that are moving. Tides have motion energy, so does wind. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned from the movie. Thank you for your attention.